Passenger safety जो है ना, it cannot be a PR exercise. It has to be a culture. I think the conversation needs to move beyond, is Air India safe or unsafe? Let me ask you something. At what point does a series of safety concerns become a trust problem? Because Air India has been in the news for all the wrong reasons for quite some time now. And before somebody jumps into my comments saying, "Oh, so you're saying Air India is unsafe?" No, that's not what I'm saying. Thousands of Air India flights operate safely, but aviation is an extraordinarily complex business, and not every technical problem is a safety failure. But I do think we're allowed to look at the pattern, and the pattern is getting difficult to ignore. For example, go back to 2023. DGCA found deficiencies in Air India's safety management processes and internal safety audits. There were issues serious enough for the regulator to suspend the airline's chief of flight safety for a month. Then in 2024, DGCA imposed a penalty of around 1 crore on Air India over safety violations relating to operations on certain routes. And around the same period, we've had technical failures, diversions, aborted takeoffs, extremely long delays, and passengers being left frustrated by how these situations were handled. Now, none of these incidents individually proves that an airline is unsafe. That's important though. But then came AI 171, which yaad aaya? The Ahmedabad crash in June 2025 changed the conversation completely, because suddenly passenger safety wasn't an abstract regulatory phrase anymore. It became painfully real. And the investigation into that accident has to be allowed to establish what actually happened. You cannot manufacture a cause before the investigators do. But even separately from AI 171, DGCA audits have continued to identify safety-related deficiencies across the Air India group. And then earlier this year, reports showed a significant increase in Air India's technical incident rate. Now we have the Phuket Delhi incident. Flight loses altitude unexpectedly. Passengers and crew are injured. The investigation is ongoing. And then comes another development. Reports say that the captain's confirmatory drug test was positive for marijuana. Now again, let's